The treatment of orthodontics is a standard dental procedure used to align and straighten teeth in order to enhance their appearance and functionality. Many people would like to go through this procedure to get a beautiful smile. One of the primary issues is the expense that comes with the procedure. In this clip, we'll discuss the elements that affect the price of orthodontic treatments and offer some suggestions for managing the costs. The price of treatment for orthodontics will vary based on a variety of aspects, such as the severity of the issues with orthodontics and the kind of treatment required and the length of treatment and the place of the dental office. In general, orthodontic procedures are divided into two types: traditional braces as well as clear aligners, such as Invisalign. Braces that are traditional consist of made of ceramic or metal brackets, which attach to teeth by elastic bands and wires. The treatment offered by this type is among the most cost-effective options, having an average price ranging between $3,000 and $7,000. However, the clear aligners offer an aesthetic alternative to braces that can be custom designed to suit the individual's dental. Clear aligners cost generally ranges between $4,000 and $8,000. The degree of problems with orthodontics also play an important role in the amount of treatment. People with minor orthodontic issues might only require minor adjustments that are completed within a short amount of time and with a lesser price. However, those with more serious orthodontic problems may need greater amount of treatment as well as a more time to complete treatment, which results in higher costs. The length of treatment is another aspect which affects the price of treatment. In general, orthodontic treatment can be anywhere between 1 and 3 years, based on the severity of the situation. The longer the duration of treatment is, the more expensive the treatment is, since many appointments and adjustments will be needed throughout the process of treatment. The place of the dental practice is also a factor in the price of orthodontic treatments. Dentists in cities or in upscale areas may be more expensive in terms of overhead that can increase costs for the procedure. However, dentists in less rural or wealthy neighborhoods might provide lower prices for orthodontic treatments. Alongside the elements that were mentioned earlier, there are additional costs related to orthodontic treatments that patients must be aware of. The costs could include the initial consultation and diagnostic tests, X-rays, as well as retainers and subsequent appointments. It is crucial for patients to talk about these costs with their dentist prior to beginning treatment in order to avoid unexpected costs later on. The cost of orthodontic treatments isn't easy, however, there are methods to reduce the cost. Another alternative is to ask about financing plans and payment alternatives offered by your dentist. A lot of orthodontic practices provide flexible payment options that permit patients to spread the expense for treatment across a time of duration. Another alternative is to look into the possibility of dental insurance coverage to cover orthodontic treatments. Although not all insurance plans will cover orthodontic treatments, some plans might offer discounted or partial coverage for specific procedures. Another method to cut costs for orthodontic treatments is to look at prices, compare them, and compare prices to find the most affordable price. Patients may request estimates of cost from several orthodontic centers and then compare them to determine the most cost-effective option. It is important to think about the credibility and credentials of an orthodontist. Selecting a reliable and experienced professional can to ensure the success of the procedure. The cost of treatment for orthodontics can differ according to a variety of factors, such as the kind of treatment and the severity of issues, as well as the duration of treatment and the location of the dental clinic. The patient should take these aspects into account when planning orthodontic treatment and consider a variety of ways to reduce the cost. Through talking about the payment options, negotiating insurance options, and comparing costs, the patients are able to make educated choices and have a gorgeous smile that isn't too costly.